The annual festival of forest animals. The Lion King in a serious yet funny manner. Dear forest dwellers, I have organized this annual festival today, because I have seen since last year. The donkey wants to sing, the elephant wants to dance, the monkey recites poetry, and the fox, he just wants to get the prize by trickery. Do you know how the fox won the prize last time? Or have you forgotten? He said, "I am the most beautiful of all, because I have a tail." Alas, I could not give such an argument even as a king. And the monkey got up on the stage and said while eating a banana, "This time I will sing, but if someone steals my banana before the song ends, then he is the winner." Such a strange competition does not happen anywhere else in the world. But the fun of this festival is here. Here everyone loses, and everyone wins again. I declare that today no one will be serious, everyone will laugh, dance, eat, and most importantly, you will have to listen to the donkey's voice again. Because that after listening to the song, even the elephant says, "Dad, save my ears." Laughter, come on, let the festival begin. Donkey in dramatic style. Ha ha ha. I am a donkey. No festival is complete without me. Listen, forest dwellers, today I will sing for you. But if you want to listen to my song, everyone must promise first. A donkey's voice is sweeter than anyone else's voice. Elephant, you promise, otherwise I will cut off your trunk. Fox, you promise, otherwise I will make a broom with your tail. Monkey, you promise, otherwise I will eat your banana raw. Starts singing by clearing his throat. Even if the donkey goes to heaven, a donkey is a donkey, but my voice has a melody. Listen with difficulty, brother, everyone covers their ears. Hey, why stop? This is just the first line. I haven't even reached the second line yet. Proudly, you know, my song is so powerful that last year the Lion King fell asleep listening to it. So I say, this is my song, the real attraction of the festival. Whoever stops me is the loser. Elephant in a frustrated manner. Oh my ears are swollen listening to the donkey's song. I feel like I have to put cotton in my ears and dance. But I say, my dance is as terrifying as the donkey's song. Last year, when I started dancing, the entire forest started shaking. From ants to snakes, they all ran away in terror. When I stepped, dhoom, dhoom, the dust from the ground flew up and stuck the monkey in the tree. Laughs, today I will dance again. But the condition is, no one can laugh during my dance. Because if anyone laughs, I will jump in anger, and with that jump, the water of the river will spill straight into the fox's cave. But yes, my dance has one advantage, that is, when I dance, the entire forest feels the ground shaking for free. So I say, my dance is the real joy of the festival. Fox in a cunning manner. Ha ha ha. Elephant, your dance and the donkey's song, both are terrible, but I am the real smart one. If I am not there, the festival will not take place. I know who will win the prize in the end, of course, mine. Last year, I cleverly ate everyone's food, but everyone thought the fox danced well. Actually, I did not dance, I just rolled my eyes at the food. Today too, I will do a trick to win the prize. If the Lion King says sing, I will imitate the donkey's song. If he says dance, I will imitate the elephant's dance. If he says joke, I will eat the monkey's banana. Then you understand, the festival means the victory of the fox. But yes, there is one problem. If the donkey starts singing, it will be difficult to save my ears. That is why I have already collected cotton. He. Bear serious yet smiling. Here are the donkeys, foxes, and elephants. You are busy only with singing, dancing, and tricks, but me, I have come only to eat. A festival means a big feast. Where is that pot of honey? Where is that plate of meat? Where is that mountain of sweets? Last year, I won the prize just by eating, because at the end, the Lion King said, the one who eats the most is the winner. If such a rule is followed again today, then the prize will be mine. Licks his face, but be careful, I am so hungry that if I don't get food, I will fry the donkey, steam the elephant, and fry the monkey with bananas. So I say, the real fun of the festival is eating, singing, dancing, and tricks. All are lies, hunger is true. The crow shouted, Kaka, I am a crow, I keep track of everything. Donkey singing, bhoo bhoo, elephant dancing, dhoop dhap. Fox's trickery, hee hee hee, bear's hunger, hum hum. Everyone is just arguing together. I say, the festival means everyone singing together. I can imitate everyone's words. Listen, imitating the donkey's voice. Hee hee hee, I am a donkey, my voice is the best. Imitating the elephant's voice. Dhoop dhap, I will dance. Imitating the fox's voice. Hee hee, I will win. Imitating the bear's voice. Give me food. See, the whole forest is in my voice. So I say, the real star of the festival is me, the crow. Monkey jumps, hee hee hee. You are all busy singing, dancing, eating and acting. I will just eat bananas. I am happy just standing on the festival stage, because here I can eat, dance and hang from trees as much as I want. Last year, I laughed so hard while eating bananas that even the Lion King himself rolled on the ground laughing. I said, I have a song in my voice, but it doesn't come out without bananas. Then I ate a banana and shouted, Aha! And everyone thought I was singing. So I am the real colorful character of the festival, the monkey. Today I want to make everyone laugh. If you laugh, then I am the winner. If you don't laugh, then I will sing a duet with a donkey, and there is no way not to laugh when you hear that.